Welcome to Backyard Growing SA, and today is my channel's 1 year anniversary. A year ago on the 21st of April I uploaded my first video, so today I thought it would just be the right thing to do to make a garden tour video, because that was my first video I ever uploaded on YouTube. So let's get into it. Enjoy. So first up over here I got is some pak choy, and then over here I have Brussels sprout growing, and then kale. Over here I got a few onions growing, and then over here is the broad bean and a few of my chilies. Okay, so you saw in the previous video I uploaded the chili harvest. So here's the tree, but this one, as you can see, it was dying, but it's coming back nicely. And then the cayenne pepper tree. You see the small chilies and the flowers. And then this chili trees over here. If you check out my first ever video, I got this. So this tree is about 2 years old now, and they're still going strong. You can see the chili here. All the flowers coming in. Okay, and next up over here is a marigold over here. This I need to take out and just sprinkle around here, and then we'll grow new ones. And then we have a bush bean over here growing, and then here this is the granitella. So this is the second one. I have 2 granitella trees growing. This is the second one. This one died down, but it is growing new leaves. So the second one died down and it is growing new leaves, as you can see. And over here, and this, and then down to the spot where the granitella is, we got garlic growing over here, and then sweet corn, and some more marigold. Into the next, we got some dhania growing here, and then my basil trees here. This is just one tree what is doing all this. Then next to it is tomatoes. Now it's looking a bit bad. Just need to water it. After this I'm going to water all these plants. And then I got red onions here and the normal white ones growing over there. Just leaving here because they're gonna be replanted in the side. Then underneath here got some more dhania growing. I know it's looking a bit rough at the moment, but I just need to water it and we'll come right again. And underneath here got some lettuce growing, butter red. You can't see properly because the sun is at its peak right now. Let's close this up. Then over here, underneath here, we got broccoli growing. And over here is more pak choy. There's about 5 growing over here. We got the carrots, which I will find out once it gets much bigger and form a carrot, then I'll turn it out. So this one's over there, it's growing nicely. Karoos taking quite long to germinate. And then we have this one's over here, what is also doing really good. And then over here is a broccoli, and then next to it is saffron. So this is 2 bulbs what was in here. This is the one was growing, and this one is the main one, and these 4 is from the same one over here. And then over to the haricot beans that started forming. It's beans. Then down here we got these eggplants, but I see this. There is a can't see now, but there is. There is a bug on here somewhere, so I can't find him at the moment. But I might remove this tree because I got another 2 over here. And can you see here the leaves how it look? This is the ashes from the fire we had now for the past 3 days. And then here's the chilies. And behind here we got is a beetroot. And underneath here is some more broccoli. And then down over here is my lilies. As you can see, it doesn't look so nice because my cat's been eating on it all the time. And next to here we got some flowers growing. Flowers we got is radish, and there is a few carrots coming out of here. There's white icicles and the pink radishes growing over here. And down here we have celery growing here. And then I mulch it with some of the granadilla leaves and a leaf that we use, because there's another 2 leaves growing that we use for the soup. And then I got my bell pepper trees growing over here. There's 1 bell pepper here, and then a whole lot of new ones coming out soon. Covered up some of my Swiss chard. Let me just take a scoop. Okay, so yeah, I got some of that mustard Swiss jar, red mustard Swiss jar, and then spinach Swiss jar over there. And yeah, I had more planted here, but I think a slug came around and ate a few of my seedlings. And I had some more marigold growing over here, more Swiss jar. And then these two Swiss jars are growing over here now for about a year now. If you check out my first video, you will see I planted these ones and they're still busy growing nicely. And we use it for the doughties that we make. So I just cut around here and I leave the center two, and then these two will grow into more and then just continuously grow like that. So I want to say thank you guys for supporting me for the past year now. If you enjoy my video, please leave a like. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. And thank you everyone for supporting me and keep on watching my videos. Thank you guys. Backyard out. And I got some more marigold going. And I have some more marigold go.